down the street.
Okay, hello, good morning. So today we are at Phuket. So we're gonna go find breakfast. See where we're gonna go and eat. So me and my brother are wearing the same. So we look identical. We're going with the Porsche.
You look like a brother.
Yeah, twins.
Huh?
Not
And
only
how
brothers.
come you taller? How come you look better? How come you look better than him?
Alright, Nicky, thanks. Alright, this is the owner, Nicky. He owns the hotel and the cafe, right? Alright, it's a very nice place. Right. Yeah.
More air.
Yeah, okay.
So how?
Okay, so this is my breakfast. And this is Colin's one. Colin, nice.
Nice.
Okay guys, so we are at Patong Beach.
Yay!
Yes, so finally we are here.
We made it.
We made it. This is our one of our bucket list of riding. Probably the next year we will go to India. What like Ladakh?
Yeah, I think that would be an awesome ride.
Awesome.
I'll have one.
That one?
No, I want this one.
Okay.
This one with rice.
Yeah, what rice?
Rice, cow.
Okay guys, so let me share with you a little bit more about the hotel. So this is the place that we are staying. So there's a swimming pool down here. Yeah, I've never been up here. This is my first time up here. Yeah, our room is at the bottom there. We prefer the bottom room because it's easy for us to carry our stuff into the room because we are carrying bags and all that. So yeah. Wow, very big pool. Right, so this is how the hotel looks like. Hello, good morning guys. So we have just left the hotel in Phuket at Nikki Bar and Hotel. Now we are going to Patong Beach to take some photos. Alright, so we have packed everything. Now we are heading down to Krabi later. But yeah, before that, let's go take some pictures here. Here got a big signboard. The hotel is in Phuket at Nikki Bar and Hotel. Now we are going to Patong Beach to take some photos. Alright, so we have packed everything. Now we are heading down to Krabi later. But yeah, before that, let's go take some pictures here. Here got a big signboard. On my left is Patong Beach. Alright, so there's a signboard there. We're gonna go and take some pictures before we head down to Krabi. Yeah, I saw it in front of me. Hopefully we can take some pictures here. Alright. Okay, so this is Patong Beach area. This is place you can come and take pictures. Alright, let's take some pictures. Alright guys, so as the plan goes, going down to Phuket, going down to Krabi first. Right on the way we will stop some places lah. Inside Phuket also can be very bad jam. Almost banged the lady just now, just crossed that. So in Phuket I have to ride slowly and carefully because there are so many riders. Ride like a mad fella, like all these fellas. There's zigzag traffic inside and out, so as a rider you have to be very careful when riding in Phuket, right? You have to be extra careful. Don't speed. Alright guys, so now it's about 11:35. There's another 2.5 hours more to reach to Krabi. Right, so we're staying at a hotel called Cozy Hotel in Krabi. Yes. Even though the distance is not too far away, because the road is small and there's some traffic light and some road works, that's why the journey can take a while to reach. Alright, so it takes almost 3 hours from Phuket. It's only 174 km. Okay guys, the weather is beautiful. It's hot sun today. It's expected to rain in the afternoon, but we're not sure the weather. It's just a prediction. Hopefully the weather like this all the way lah, so that we can enjoy our ride. Sore throat now. Hopefully everything will be okay. Not too bad, but hope it doesn't get worse lah. I'll drink a lot of water. Okay guys, I'll catch up with you after. Okay guys, so now we are leaving Phuket already. We are crossing the bridge over to the mainland. Okay, it's been an interesting journey in Phuket. A lot of things that we see. We also enjoy our time there now as well. Alright, so now we just left Phuket. Oh, beautiful. Mountainous view. So beautiful. See the mountain in front. It's going through the mountain. Yeah. Very amazing landscape they have it here. Like going in between the mountain. Ooh, quite true. Wow, very nice. Alright, so we got another 48 minutes to go to reach the hotel. Weather is very good, hot. Like, lots of foreigner walking there. Okay, I don't know what to expect Krabi, just go there and visit, and that is my first time going there as well. Alright, Krabi, turn right. Another 40 minutes before we reach to Krabi. Alright, so the road is condition is quite good. A lot of signboard, a lot of warning sign. Just don't go on the emergency lane because people are using that as well to go into opposite direction. Can you see the road now is a lot jagged, especially on the curve side. The line will be jagged because they don't want you to speed, and also they want you to the car be able to have a grip when they do a corner that doesn't slip. So guys, so we have reached Krabi. The time now is about 2:11. Okay, so we just reached Krabi. The sun very so hot today, so we decided to stop for lunch, and after the lunch we will go to the hotel, right? Yeah. After lunch we go to the hotel, check in, then only we decided what to do next. Let's go for lunch. So the owner is instinct. Okay, the owner asked us to go inside. So let's go inside and see what they have. So this is Chalom Cafe and restaurant. Oh. Oh, very nice cafe. Too formal.
Bring your
Simple local place. Okay, so I'm having a Thai dish. My omelette, this veggie, and the rest of the dish is coming. Here. Have a very wonderful lunch, a Thai lunch. Now we are heading to the hotel. Right, another 4 minutes before we reach to the hotel. Okay, look at the view in front, it's so beautiful, the mountains. Right, the scenery is quite nice, yeah. Just enjoy the view. Hotel, cozy. Need to find out where to park. Okay, so we are cozy hotel. This hotel is not very convenient between the parking and all that. Okay, in front of the hotel there's lobby, but there's no area for to stop and the bike. The park quite far away.